dance, it's raining. Let's splash dance and sing our top 5 monsoon songs together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go! Jump, splash, twirl in the rain. Don't dance, clap, sing once again. With friends all around, we play and cheer. Top 5 songs we love each year. Top 5 songs we love each year. Wave in the hop like a frog, go jumpity jump. Rainbows here with the bumpity bump. I point to red, point to blue. Now wave hello, me and you. Me and you. Interactive actions, I point, wave. Puddle, stomp, party. Stomp in a puddle, splash goes the sound. Boots go boing on the soggy ground. Left foot, right foot, spin around. That clap 3 times, what fun we found. We found. Birds in the rain. Tweet, 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 the birdies sing. Flap your arms like you've got wings. Slide to a tree, then fly down low. Sing like a bird, go, go, go. The arms pretend to fly. Froggy dance finale. The ribbon, yum, yum, it's picnic time. Hot puckeras, crunchy and prime. Sit in a circle, pass the plate. Share with friends, it's super great. Super great, peckle, act like a frog. Don't dance, clap, swirl in the rain. Don't dance, clap, sing once again. Our friends all around, we play and cheer. Top 5 songs we love each year. Top 5 songs we love each year. Wow, that was amazing, little dancers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more rain time fun on our channel. Bye-bye, see you in the next song.
Little dancers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more rain time fun on our channel. Bye-bye. See you in the next song.